Hello, this is Mr. Jarrett, and in this video tutorial, I'm going to quickly explain to you how you're going to do the surface identification form. So if you click on that form, it's going to open up the form itself. It's going to ask you, obviously, for your identification credentials and blah, blah, blah. Then it's going to take you into a little example page here. And what it basically says is that you're going to be matching the letters and the numbers. So looking at our 3D part up here, and looking at your multi-view down here, number one would obviously be E. Okay, looking at the top view, two would be A, three would be B, and so on. Okay, so once you get to the first object, it starts out like this. So you can see I kind of color coordinated these. These are all the front view. This is all the top view, the right side view. So it's pretty self-explainable. If you look at number one and you try to find where that is up here, I'm sure you've already guessed it. It's E. Okay, so you can kind of go about from there. So it's looking at it from the front view. This is looking at it from the top view, so straight down. And this is looking at it from the right side view. Now, what you might find a little confusing on this is that this one is dotted. Well, if you know what a dotted line means, or a dashed line, whatever you want to call it, that is a hidden line. So meaning, what is right in this location behind this wall? So if I'm looking at the right side view, that's this, and looking over here, looking at it from this way, H is 9. So down and over, that would be right around in here. What's on the other side of this wall? So no, it's not F, because F is facing a different direction. It's actually G. So 8 is G. Okay, so that is hidden. When you get to the next page, and depending on what browser you're on, sometimes it actually hides column J, so you might have to scroll over. But when you get to the next page, you'll see things like this, where there's a little arrow. So what this is basically saying is what's right around this corner. So 9 is A, as you can kind of see from the top view. So what's right around the corner down here from 9? Well, that would be C. Okay, so the final one, it's very similar. It's just a little bit more complicated. Okay, sorry, the final two. It's just a little bit more complicated, but it gradually takes you through and builds you up to this point. All right, good luck.